Hey guys, Joe here. Back in the garage, I'm going to be doing an install of the FENGYEMOTO USB phone charge mount. I was scrolling on Amazon, came across this. I thought, man, why not? So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and get the install going. Alright guys, so here's the package. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Here's the bag. Here is the bracket you're going to be needing. Comes with the wiring harness right here and also the cable. And here's some bolts. Alright, first things first, you're going to need to get to these two bolts right here. Alright, go ahead and start cracking this bad boy loose. Get your bracket. Put that through. Like so. Grab this nut right here, run that through the wire, just like so. Screw this on. Like so. Grab this plastic piece. Gonna need to run the wires through this. There you go. Pull it through. And put this over like that. In the package, you're going to get these longer screws right here. You're going to need to put those through and install it. Alright, so take the bracket we just put together and go ahead and line it up. Actually, we're gonna try and run this through. Not sure where this is gonna go yet. I'm just gonna put that through here, pull the wire through. So here it is sitting right here. Take the longer screws and just put it right back. Alright, so there it is installed right here. Now we gotta find a place to put this wire. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this side panel right here and remove the seat. Alright, so here's the wire we're going to need to tuck away up in here. Just going to go through an opening that I find right here, pull it through. Kind of just route it to the battery part. Alright, so the wire is right here. I just routed it through here, following the wire right here, under here, and then out through the back. This is where the wire is at. Alright, so I initially thought it was this little connector right here on the left hand side. Turns out it's the one on the right. I just want to disconnect this one and then just plug that in like so, and plug the big one in to the bottom. Then you have this, which should plug in to this right here. And the black goes to the black wire, and the red goes to the green and white wire. The black goes to the black, red goes to the green and white. Go ahead and turn the key on and see if it lights up. And there we go. It lights up. We got everything connected right. I just put 2 zip ties I put one zip tie right there and another one right here just to kind of keep it from sagging or anything. And then I ran the wire underneath this little mounting bracket right here, and it goes up underneath here. I did have it going over the bar initially, but just switched it and connected the wires underneath this bar right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall the side panel and the seat, and then we'll go back to this. Alright guys, so I got everything back installed. Here's the look. If you're curious, this is the FENGYEMOTO phone mount. Everything in this video, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below to Amazon so you can pick up yours. I'll leave a link to the USB port and the FENGYEMOTO phone mount. But yeah, man, super excited. Got my RAM mount. Go ahead and lock this on. Probably gonna need to get me a shorter phone cable, but let's try it out. Plug this into the USB-A port. I'm not sure if the USB-A is fast charging. I believe the USB-C port is the fast charging. Also, when the bike is off, this thing does not have power. It's only going to be powered when you turn the bike on. So turn the bike on, and there you go. Got the blue LED light, and my phone is charging. Alright guys, well that's it for the video. Hope you found this video helpful. Pretty stoked to have a phone charger on my Grom now. That way whenever I'm out and about, if my phone's low, I can just go ahead and charge it up. But yeah, really easy install. Again, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below to this and the FENGYEMOTO phone mount if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. Just let me know your thoughts, whether or not you think this is worth it or not. I think it's pretty worth it. It's not that expensive. I think it's like $30 on Amazon. But yeah, super happy with it. Now it's time to go ride. Until then, y'all, later.